Yo guys, good morning. Today we're in Chandigarh sector 17. I'm just gonna go around traveling here. Took about 3 hours to get here, still morning. I think it just turned about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, one of them. So I'm just gonna see what this city is all about. I can tell you, coming here straight away, when you enter the city, it's just so like safe on the roads. Like there's traffic lights that people obey to, because there's all cameras everywhere. Everything's cameraed up here. So let's see where we're going, what the plan is. Apparently there's a bird park, a famous bird park that I want to go see. So I'm just gonna go get some food. Brother's selling all this jewellery and that. Brother's got some glasses. Very nice, thank you. I don't want them though. Bro, I wonder where we're gonna go eat. Apparently it's a restaurant. There's a police officer there. So I hear. Very nice, thank you. Actually, I just got a bathroom quickly. The woman's out here with the sweet corns outside the bathroom. Right, the bathroom is in the basement, I just stank in there. Right, got these shops here, man. Gap. Oh, I wonder how much Gap is. Yes, brother. No, thank you. Bro, it's all Western shops here. I don't know what's going on there. The woman's dancing. Hello, doggy. No, thank you. No, thank you. Wonder what's going on here. Must be some kind of dancing going on. Or maybe she's a model, God knows, isn't it? Guy playing tunes. Got no change on me. Or they give him some. I need to go to an exchange. I found something, but there's only one. There's brother's kids here. We'll give him something. There's a kid behind him. Oh, she started to dance now. That little blue thing in the middle. It's an old bike, that is. So it's a rally racer then. Used to have one of those. Looks like a police car with all that stuff on top there. The lights on that. Right, so okay, the plan today. What we're doing? You know, go to a bird park. We're gonna go to, and then some kind of lake, I think. Just gonna go with the locals, see what their plan is, and go along. That's about it. And then I said no before. Don't understand once, do they? Kid wants to get in front of the camera. Yeah, man. Look, you tell them no about 10 times, and they keep coming up to you saying the same thing. Okay. So we're gonna go in this place here. Let me get the name of it. Oh, it's called House Indian Coffee. But I'm just with the locals, so I'm just gonna go along with them. They're sitting over there. Oh, it sticks a BO in here. Here's the prices. Someone's here. Sorry. Look at the guy's dress, man. A little bit chilly, see what we're eating, and then I'll start recording again. We've got a dish now. Looks like a pancake. I don't know what that is. Checking my hair. I don't want this water. In case it's tap water. We've got all these sauces here. Let's try this. It does look like a pancake in the middle. But it don't taste like a pancake though. I'll tell you that one. Alright, dip it in some of that sauce. Give it some flavour. I should have ordered a pancake or something. I'm trying to get past. Look how tight the spaces are, man. That's where anyone's supposed to get in there or sit down. It's overcrowded, this place is. Right, I'm going to eat this and continue recording in a bit. Oh, he's moved it now. Alright, just eating. It's basically like a pancake, but it tastes nothing like a pancake. So imagine it's like an omelette. Inside, I thought it was just plain flour. Like a, what's it called? A roti, chapati thing. But it's inside like onions, all this like tomatoes and stuff in there. Which it was alright, like putting the sauces with it actually tastes alright. But probably wouldn't have it again. It's called a dosa. Anyway, if you want the, I was going to say the address. Speak to my man there, the Shukrin, and I'm only messing. So it's Sector 7E, Chandigarh. They go to me, it's the centre of Chandigarh. This is, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, you know, who cares. Yeah, so there goes the main hub, that's what I've been told. Lucknow is actually a city, like a city in India somewhere as well. I was gonna go there, but I'm not planning to stay in India too long. Like, what am I saying? This city is actually quite westernized here, like, but I didn't get away from the westernized society just to come to another westernized. So obviously I've seen like the rural part of India, you know, the countrysides and that. So now I don't want to go. Hello. Lucknow 17. What does it mean Lucknow, man? Who's lucky now? Chicken tikka. Oh, I thought it was chicken tikka then. Let's see how much. I'm trying to see the prices of this. Chicken I do, man. Let's see what. Oh, he's making fresh tea. Got a courtyard in the middle. Alright, still currently in Sector 17, the hub, the main bit, right in the centre of the, what's going on there? Very nice, thank you. Very nice, thank you. Besides, people are gonna come up to you, say the same thing. What's all this? What's going on here?
Sector map.
Oh, it's the map of the sector. Right, they put it on the floor. If you can tell, guys. Roller skating. Cricket stadium. Yo, it's actually huge as well. And it's right in front of, I think that's a cinema. Oh, I thought it was, oh yeah, it is. Theatre. So that building's a cinema then, I guess. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you.
This cleaning, this new.
No thank you. But I said it 5 times, man. You can't understand English. They can, they just be stupid, innit? Very nice, thank you. Very nice, thank you. Very nice, thank you. Very nice. I don't care, I'll say it all day. So what I realised in this part of India, they actually speak a lot of English. So they do understand me. If you think it, oh, the poor guy can't understand you, they can. This is the way I came up. Let's see at the bird park then, I guess. We made it into the bird park thing. Just took a time with the parking. Small parking, that's what it is. Here it is. I know where these lot are going. But you gotta get tickets. Oh, that's mad. I would just sneaked in. Let's get the ticket sorted out. Here's the prices. Alright, we're in now. Apparently them lot brought me a local ticket, foreigner one, so we got away with it. Right, so you want to see what the birds they have here, okay? Guys, freeze it. It's page 1 and page 2. Oh, there's a gym here as well. 50 rupees it cost for locals, even for me. I mean, otherwise if they knew I couldn't speak the language, it'd be 500, so that'd be like 7-8 quid, I think. Water. What's this pond all about? Yo, they got swimming there. I should have brought my swimming trunks. What's going on here? Right. The earth was created for all of us, not some of us. Alright, relax. Don't know what's going on here. Just some hedges. Oh, there's some, I don't know, special kind of trees, that's what I say. Brother, chilling there, man. What's this pond all about here? Oh, they're just swans there. They look like KFC chicken, they do. And let's see. See something moving in the water there, like spitting out water. God knows what it is. Probably snakes and lizards, you never know. What's going on here? Stonehenge, India style. I haven't seen no birds yet. Is everyone taking pictures with the foreigner now? Probably start asking me for some picture. Oh, what's going on here then? Oh, here's some English. Freeze it if you want. Nothing here, yeah. Palm tree. It's a weird palm tree though. I don't even think we've actually exited the bird park yet, look. We have to keep going down, I think. Right, decorations on the wall over there. I see like all these signs there, like brand-headed barbet. Oh, there's some birds in the sky. It's the wrong kind of birds. It's not the birds I want to see. What's this, Virgo? I wonder what it is.
That is.
Bro, what's so amazing? God knows. Oh, what's going on here? German. Oh, these are them signs, aren't it? It's star signs. Oh, that's all about. So we got Libra here. Libra, Capricorn, Aquarius, Aries. Let's go on the grass here. Pisces. My camera's still on. Oh yeah. Taurus. Probably pronouncing that wrong. Cancer. Okay. How many got left now? I don't even know. Oh yeah, Gemini. Oh, Leo as well. My favourite. Leo, the lion. Okay, done that now. Let's get out of here, keep walking down then. My trousers are about to fall. Got 2 water bottles in them, that's why I think. Okay, here we are now. Chandigarh Bird Park. How's this for a thumbnail? See the birds at the top there? Some sculptures up there. Right. Love bird section. Oh, why have I got a jacket on, man? Boiling hot, you know. Right, I'm gonna fix my trousers and take this jacket off as well. While I read this as well, guys, freezing. Right, I took my jacket off, fixed my trousers, tied it around my waist. Right, what's going on here? Okay, so we see a cage now. Finally, some actual birds in this place. I don't know if you guys can actually see, because you might just see the reflection of me in there, that's about it. But I'll show you the information. Here it is, look, 7 to 15 years they live up to. Freezing, guys. Okay, there they are. I'm going to zoom in as much as I can. There's the signal. Right, let's keep moving. Who knows, I don't even know if I've got enough memory for this place. And my camera's heating up, being in the India sun. Right there, they're up there. They're hiding up there, as you can see there. Just hiding there. Right, I'm going to move on to the next one. Actually, no, hold on a minute. Information. So this is the amazing lovebirds. They're actually from Africa as well. See, it even says there. Finally, you can go in this thing here. What's up with these chains there? Probably stop the birds from escaping, I think. Oh, it's like them temple thing where you have to walk on the water. Okay, what's fascinating here? Swans. See, buried them back in England anyway, so it's all caged off as well. Oh man, same thing man, you see them in Cannon Hill Park, Birmingham. Oh, that's a bit slippy there. Hello doggy. Bro, what's this? £2,000 fine. Bamboo. Bamboo strong. Got water in there. Right, a waterfall. Oh, there's some more over here. Is that it? I want to get out of this one. Oh, there's some more over there. Oh, I thought it'd be like parrots or something here. The proper ones and the more cool ones, and colourful ones, the blue ones. Let's get out of this. Right, what's going on here now? Some more birds. Waterfall. More ducks. Okay, so I think that's it then. That's a quick one. Hope there's more than this here. Ducks and swans. So they're doing some modelling here. Right, I'm gonna keep moving then. Here comes more of what's going on here? Out. Of course, but get out this one. Oh, time waste. If that's it, yeah, and they're charging like foreigners £5, well, how much was that? £7-8 just to look at some swans. Well, that's a waste of money, man. Another building up there. What's going on here? Oh, some interesting facts about these birds. Oh, I think you can move these. Peregrine falcon. Let's see where it stops on. Ostrich. What's that say there? Oh, macaw parrot. Might see some of these in here then. Help them out, innit? You can hear them, but you can't see them. There they are. Right up there. So there they are. These are them here. Bro, look at them, man. 80 years they can live up to. 80 years. What are these guys' secret? Well, it's quite annoying as well. They're too loud. But the view is nice. Can't lie. Imagine having a massive garden, like acres and acres of land. You just want to build this on there. That'd be something cool to do. Only the rich can do that. Oh, one day. Get some birds that will outlive me. Who'll feed them after I'm gone then? Oh, they're flying around. They literally just go around in circles, literally. Someone's modelling. Where are the blue ones? I want to see the blue ones. And how did you get down there? Can't see any this side. Just some bushes, that's about it. Oh wow. Oh, there they are. Literally see them now, right across there, the blue ones. If you guys can tell, I'll put my camera back on. In that box up there, I can see two of them. It's the same ones like the ones that's in Thailand. There's a lad up there. I'm just thinking, you know, why not be a bit stupid? No cameras around. Yo, they're actually massive as well. Well looked after. You can see the feathers are just shiny, not the ones in Thailand and they're sitting in the pet shop. So he said hello to the parrots on his phone. He said it about 10 times, I think. Massive leaves on that. So the only blue ones, and there's only two, and little ones as well. No red ones though. Right. I'm thinking that's it, you know. So you have to pay this man 100. What's inside? Oh, I can see him. Bro, why would I want to pay when I can just see him from here? Oh, so they're all at the entrances. Oh, there it is. African grey parrot, I think that is. I like this, they covered it off here. Cheeky buggers. See it there. So there's actually more of these macaw parrots, African greys. There's a red one over there. That's actually cool, you know. Just seeing if there's a way around over there as well. Little opening. Oh man, so you gotta pay an entry fee and another fee just to go inside there, man. They're right, actually covered it all off, look. Right, I'm gonna see if there's any more. But I don't think there is. Oh, there's another cage over there. So I was in the cage and I was about to walk you through it. I see this line here. Bro, that's it, man. Might as well just go back and look at the same thing again. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. So like, share, subscribe and that, and comment down below any questions, anything I got wrong, you know, mistaken and that. Let me know guys. And subscribe, man. So many views but there's so less subscribers. What's going on, guys? You know, it helps me out at the end of the day. Come on, I'm trying to get that someone to sponsor me something, you know. All these flight tickets and buses and taxis, it cost money, guys. It's expensive, man. You know, don't collab with someone. Skyrocket this stuff up, innit? Well, I'm just gonna head back in there. You guys already seen it, so see, we've got camels in India. That's massive.
Hello, bye bye.
Oh, there's one more over there. Feels like a carpet, but I don't know if they bite or not. Hello, doggy. That's a big doggy. Damn, that's actually huge, man. I thought a horse was massive. Should we stroke it? I don't want to stroke it in case it bites me. English. Camel ride, how much?
100 per person.
100 rupees. Can I stroke it? Man, that feels like a carpet, it's so rough. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Auntie, hug him. Hug him, do this. The auntie's gonna stroke him. Should we kiss it? It's very nice, thank you. How old is this? How old?
He's a 10-year-old.
That's 10 years old?
Yes.
God. What's the age they live?
30 to 35.
30, 35, bro. Does he eat a lot of food?
Yeah. He can't eat.
You're hungry, a girl or boy?
Boy.
Good boy, little doggy. Okay, thank you, sir. That was mad experience. Oh, I've seen these bare times, man. I don't want to drink this. I mean, I want to try it, but they have it's tap water, isn't it? So if I drink this, I'll just get ill, innit? What's going on here? Oh, when I was in Thailand, I wanted to try that messy, what's it called? That Messi's ice cream. Right, we'll cut it here because we're going somewhere else. I need to go get a bag, a backpack to go another place. He's saying like, what is this? LED. Ah, seen. I don't drive, no car. Thank you. Okay, mad experience, man. Mad experience. Yes, brother. Well, gone.